Hello everyone, here is Hel from Conscious Rebel, and today...
Why are you always laughing?
And today I'm gonna show you how to make a very simple, as usual, all our recipes are simple, sweet potato, red kidney beans and chipotle curry. First of all, switch on under a little pan where you will boil the rice. I usually use basmati, it's the one that I like the most and it's the one that takes less time. Then put 2 tablespoons of rapeseed oil inside a pan. Switch on the heat under the pan on a low-medium flame, and when it is hot you can drop inside your sweet potatoes. Now the oil is hot, so we can drop the sweet potatoes and just give a good stir. Let them cook for 3-5 minutes. Okay, now after about 5 minutes you can add a teaspoon of chipotle paste and stir well. Lower the flame. You can add the tomato passata, beans, the 300 milliliters of water, and 2 teaspoons of vegan vegetable bouillon. And if you'd like to make it in your home, if you don't have it, which is way cheaper, you can check out here somewhere the recipe. It's last week's recipe, so you should definitely check it out. Then at this point, just give a good stir to mix everything together. You have the flame on a low medium heat. You bring it to boil, and when it is boiling you can cover it with a lid and leave it to cook for about 20 minutes. When the water is boiling for the rice, you can drop the rice inside and leave it to cook for 10-12 minutes. Okay, once the rice is ready, you can drain it, put it on the side for when the curry is ready. Okay, now 20 minutes have passed. The sweet potato are basically ready, but the sauce is still not thick as I want it, so I'm just gonna wait for 2-3 minutes more on a high flame. Keep on stirring until it is a bit more thick. Now the sauce is thick enough, it's not that watery anymore. So the last thing that we're gonna do now is just to put a lot of this curry in a nice plate. We're gonna eat it all, Abby.
Why not?
And just add half of the rice. And here is our curry ready. Not even half an hour to cook it, and it is amazing. One thing that you can do if you'd like is just to squeeze a bit of lime on the top, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know if you have any other idea or any other things that you would like to see on this channel. I have an Instagram profile too and a Facebook one too, so if you'd like to follow me over there on Instagram, I give a little bit more hints about my life so you can see a bit more. Please subscribe even to tbsp UK channel. I will leave the link down below. Is my husband, and he's the one that is filming every single time.
Thank you very much, Tommy.
And I will see you in the next video. Bye.